This isn't like any other tracking dog collar that I've known before. So excited to open up this Guardian GPS Plus tracking dog fence collar. It's from PetSafe. This was sent to me for review. Yes, this is a GPS collar with precise GPS location. It does live tracking of your dog in real time on a map that you look at on your phone. It will send push notifications and all of that. But what's crazy cool about this product is that it's not just a GPS tracking collar. This also lets you set up virtual fences so that your dog can learn the boundaries of where it's allowed to be. This specific unit is designed for properties that are 3/4 of an acre or larger. I've got a 5-acre farm property that this is going to be perfect for. This is a virtual electric fence that you set up around your property, not only your property, but up to 20 different places at any given time. So if you have a place that you go to frequently, maybe a friend's house that has an open field or an unfenced yard, you can set up a virtual fence there and your dog will be within that area when they have this collar on. My dog currently uses a GPS tracking collar, but it doesn't have the built-in invisible fence system. Let's open it up. Ooh, dog on the outside or dogs on the inside. Here it is. It's a nice royal blue. Now you might be looking at this and going, oh, that's a bulky collar. Well, it's not actually for an electric fencing system. Here is the collar as it comes out of the box. Look at this nice, durable silicone material. Very flexible, very soft to the touch. It almost has a skin-like feel to it. Here's the power button. Hard plastic right here, but when you get to this part, this also turns into a very flexible silicone that's going to hold the collar in place all the way around. Charging brick and cable. This is a USB with a USB-C end attached to it. The charging base. On the back, you've got spots so that you can actually mount this to a wall. Here are the little charging pins. These nodes here just sit right in the charging unit. They actually click into place. This does not come off on its own. Push the button here to release it. This little guy, this lets you test whether the collar is functioning. These are actually the short contact points. But let me show you how small the small contact points are. So you'll want to use these if you've got a smaller dog. If you've got a larger dog with a lot of thick fur, you're going to use these more standard size contact points. Get started booklet, warranty card, customer service brochure, and last but not least, a training guide. So this is full of helpful tips on how to properly train your dog with their new GPS fence collar. You've got your mounting screws here, but look, it even comes with a mounting template right on the back of your Get Started guide. All right, that's it for the box. I'm gonna charge this baby up. Cannot wait to use this.